a time where we scroll all day, remember to stop and fixate on a flower or tree. Bring your hands together in a prayer mudra. Raise your arms and inhale slowly. You can close your eyes or keep them open. Look up, sending your neck, shoulders, and spine some love. At the top, spread your arms. Open your heart center. Bringing your arms down and exhaling gently. This is a little reminder to stretch the parts of our bodies we tend to close up because we're fixated on our screens. The phone can wait. It's so important to clear the screen in our heads. Slow down. Stretch your waist and your shoulders. Gently rotate your neck. Take a walk. Watch the critters do their thing. Keep going. Keep breathing. And thank the tree.